Hello, welcome to Footlogix Education, providing salons, spas, and technicians with ongoing training, tools, and techniques to broaden their knowledge and ultimately to grow their business. During this training session, we will demonstrate the Footlogix Professional Pedicure, where Medi meets Pedi in 10 easy steps. Step 1. Consultation. To start the pedicure appointment, invite your client to fill out the Footlogix Pedicure consultation form. This will help to identify any foot care concerns, medical conditions, or allergies, and will assist you in understanding your client's foot care needs and ultimately to build strong, long-term client relationships. While your client is completing this form, you may choose to use the Footlogix foot deodorant spray. Applying 2 short micro bursts to each foot will leave your client's feet refreshed and eliminate any foot odor, preparing them for the next step. Step 2. Evaluation. After your client has completed the consultation form and you have reviewed their information, remove the client's nail polish and conduct the visual foot and leg evaluation. Examine their toenails, the bottom of their feet, specifically the heels, check the skin between the toes, and make note of any irregularities. If there are no abrasions or open sores, you are ready to begin soaking their feet. Step 3. Foot soak. Add 1 pump of Footlogix foot soak into the foot bath. We recommend soaking the feet for 5 to 7 minutes or less than 5 minutes if the client is a diabetic. While your client's feet are soaking, another optional, value-added step is to spray Footlogix shoe deodorant spray into their shoes to kill odor-causing bacteria. The client will have refreshed shoes to wear after their pedicure service. Step 4. Exfoliation. Lift your client's feet from the foot bath and gently pat dry. Dispense 1 pump of Footlogix exfoliating seaweed scrub into the palm of your hand. Apply to the feet as well as the lower legs in an upward circular massaging motion. Add a little water to emulsify the scrub. Put their feet back into the foot bath to rinse or use a warm towel compress to remove the scrub. Once the scrub is removed, dry feet thoroughly. Step 5. Application. Once the feet are dried, spray the Footlogix callus softener around the nail groove area, on the dry skin of the toes and heels, and especially on calloused areas. In order for the product to be effective, the callus softener must be absorbed into the skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Reparation, meaning repair. While the callus softener is penetrating into the skin, cut the toenails, clean around the nails in the groove and under the free edge. Shape the free edge, clean the cuticle area, and buff the nail plate. While the skin is still slightly tacky, file the soles and don't forget to file around the back of the heels with the sterilizable Footlogix stainless steel file. Reapplying callus softener as needed. The file and the product work well together. You can see how easy the callus simply rolls off the bottom of the foot with only little pressure required. Once you have finished filing the bottom of the feet, reapply the callus softener. This will remove any skin debris left behind. Do not rinse the foot with water, as the callus softener will continue to hydrate the foot long after the pedicure is completed. If there is any debris left behind, wipe the debris off with your towel. Repeat step 5 and 6 on the other foot. Step 7. Rejuvenation. To rejuvenate the skin of the feet, apply a walnut-sized amount of Footlogix Very Dry Skin formula to each foot and massage the lightweight mousse into the skin. Pay special attention to the dry and calloused areas and between the toes, as Footlogix mousse is a product that can actually be used interdigitally. This is a great way to show your clients how quickly the mousse will be absorbed, penetrating into the layers of the epidermis and instantly hydrating the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Step 8. Moisturization. Once the pedicure is completed, massage your client's feet and lower legs with Footlogix massage formula. 2 to 3 pumps are sufficient for a 5 to 7 minute massage. This non-occlusive massage formula will give you great slip without leaving a greasy or heavy residue. It takes approximately 7 to 10 minutes to completely absorb into the skin. Clients will love the results as their skin feels silky soft. Step 9. Beautification. Nail polish will beautify your client's toes and complete the actual hands-on segment of the Footlogix Pedicure process. Before applying the nail polish, take a damp towel and simply wipe off the nail plate. Since there are no occlusive oils in professional Footlogix Pedicure products, there is no need to dehydrate the nail plate before application of the polish. Step 10. Continuation. To conclude the Footlogix Pedicure process, while the polish is drying, go over the recommended foot care products with your client, which are to be used for continuing home care. Instruct the client on the application techniques of the product they will be purchasing as recommended on the Footlogix prescription pad. As you can see, the Footlogix 10 steps to the perfect 10 Footlogix pedicure is easy to do, transformational, and leaves the client with healthy, happy feet. Should you have any questions relating to the techniques shown or any of the Footlogix Pedicure products used, we welcome your inquiries. Contact us via email, info@footlogix.com, or call us at 1-888-442-4408.